of the grammar, we make a few brief observations regarding the history of the Hebrew biblical text. There you learn that originally the Hebrew language had no written system of vowels. The text consisted of consonants with no vowel pointing. In the second half of the first millennium AD, the vowels were added. In handout 2A, we show the Hebrew text of Deuteronomy 6:5, first without and then with vowels. In the consonantal text with vowel pointing, the vowels are given in red. You will observe that Hebrew vowels consist of symbols beneath, within, and to the left of their consonants. We will now study the Hebrew vowels in three major categories: long, short, and reduced. Additionally, we will study what are called Hebrew vowel letters. But first, our focus will be on the long, short, and reduced vowels. In the grammar, long vowels are studied in section 2.3. Short vowels are studied in section 2.4. And the reduced vowels are considered in section 2.5. We then give a summary of long, short, and reduced vowels in sections 2.6 and 2.14 of the grammar. In the handouts, the long, short, and reduced vowels are studied over several charts. Long vowels are studied in handout 2B. Short vowels are presented in handout 2C, and the reduced vowels are studied in handout 2D. These three categories are then presented in summary in handout 2E. When we talk about long, short, and reduced vowels, we are talking about vowel type. Within these three vowel types, long, short, and reduced, there are 5 vowel classes: A, E, I, O, and U. Though not each of these 5 vowel classes are attested in each vowel type. Now, this distinction between vowel type and vowel class is important. So I want to repeat what I just said. Please understand that you will not be successful on certain parts of your quizzes and exams unless you fully understand the distinction between vowel type and vowel class. So listen carefully. When we talk about long, short, and reduced vowels, we are talking about vowel type. Within these 3 vowel types, again, long, short, and reduced, there are 5 vowel classes. And the vowel classes are A, E, I, O, and U. Now we are ready to begin the study of the first vowel type, long vowels. Turn to handout 2B. This handout corresponds to section 2.3 in the grammar. As we present the 3 long vowels, comets, tsere, and holum, each vowel will be presented with the consonant bait, in order to show the position of the vowel with respect to its consonant. Given that Hebrew moves from right to left, a vowel is pronounced after the consonant with which it is associated. As we observed above, notice that not all 5 vowel classes, A, E, I, O, and U, are attested in the long vowel type, but only the A class, the E class, and the O class. For each of these 3 vowels, you must know, and you will be required to give on quizzes and exams, the vowel's name, type, class, and its sound or phonetic value. We begin with the A-class vowel, comets. It appears in red in handout 2B and also in the chart in section 2.3 in the grammar. The vowel name, once again, is comets. The type is long. The class is A class. And the sound of comets is ah, as in the English word father. The second vowel is tsere. Tsere is the vowel name. The vowel type is long. The class is E class, and the sound of tsere is A, as in the English word they. The third vowel in this category is holum. That's the name of the vowel, holum. The type is long. The class is O class, and the sound of a holum is O, as in the English word roll. Remember that for each of these 3 vowels, you must know its name, type, class, and sound. Transliteration will not be emphasized in lecture, nor required on quizzes and exams, though it will be helpful to know the transliteration of each vowel. So if on a quiz I give you a bait with a comets beneath this consonant, you must be able to tell me that the name of the vowel is comets, that its type is long, that its class is A class, and that its sound is like the A in father. You will not be asked to give transliteration. Now let's study the short vowels in handout 2C and in section 2.4 of the grammar. You will notice that the 5 vowel classes, A, E, I, O, and U, are represented in this vowel type. First is the A-class vowel. Its name is pathak. The sound of a pathak is a, as in the English word bat. So, to pronounce the bait with pathak, the sound would be ba, ba. The next short vowel is the E-class vowel, segol. The sound of the segol is E.